So we are going to try to make a video about the operation of the Thales Electromat, and I'll show you around the machine. The first thing you need to notice is the setting carriage, which is indicated by these two arrows, so both registers can be set by choosing one of these three buttons: the right register, the left register, or both registers at once. So if we put a 2 in both registers, you see that the 2 arrives and then the machine taps. We do 6, 5, 8, 9 is a bit trickier, 2, etc, etc. The machine can be cleared by using these clearing levers. And if we, for example, put a number 5, 4, 3, we can correct by pushing the correction button and then turning the knob at the end of the machine over here. 1, so we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 in the register, and if we then move the setting carriage to the side, we can actually move on to multiplication. We can subtract, and we can shift the carriage from this button here. Now we move on to division, and division works in the following way. We can, for example, take 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, put that in the carriage, reset this counter register here, reset the setting register, and then we can divide by, well, let's divide by 37. So that's here. 3, 7. We move the setting carriage out of the way, so we have everything set up. 54, 3, 2, 1 divided by 37, and then we start by pushing the division lever back for negative multiplication. So it subtracts until it has an underrun, and then we add, we have an overrun, and then the carriage shift. So the only thing we need to do is keep pushing alternatingly back and forwards. And so there we have it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 37 would be 146.8135135. So there is, of course, an easy way to try that. We can set this number 6, 8, 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5. We can set this number. In the setting carriage, and we can move it over by one position, and then we can multiply by 37, and we get 543209999995. So that is as good as 54321. Perfect. Now the only thing that I'd still like to do is to be able to multiply by all the different multipliers without having trouble. So let's give it another go. Times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect.